Greetings everyone, and welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you're unable to access your iPhone due to forgotten or locked Apple ID, or if you've purchased a second-hand device still associated with another account, don't fret. Today, I'll guide you through the process of safely and legally unlocking your iPhone without the Apple ID. Let's begin. Method 1. Restoring with iTunes. If you need to remove only the screen passcode and do not have access to your Apple ID, you can restore your iPhone from a computer to erase the passcode. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode by pressing the volume up and volume down buttons and holding the power button until the iPhone shuts off and the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes will prompt you to either restore or update. Select Restore to download the iOS firmware and erase your device. Following the reset, you'll need to reconfigure your device. In most instances, this process should unlock your iPhone. If the restoration process completes successfully, you're all set. Just finish the setup and you can resume using your device. If iTunes encounters an error or the restoration cannot be completed for some reason, don't fret. There's a quicker alternative you can try. Method 2. Use UltFone iPhone Unlock. If the computer recovery fails, a simpler and faster alternative can be used. UltFone iPhone Unlock offers a user-friendly way to remove the screen password without your Apple ID or iTunes. The tool provides step-by-step instructions, automatically recognizes your device, and obtains the appropriate firmware, so you don't have to worry about the technical details. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch UltFone iPhone Unlock. Select either Start, then follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. First, connect your phone to the computer. Then press and hold the Up button, press and hold the Volume Down button, and then hold the Power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once in recovery mode, UltFone iPhone Unlock will detect your iPhone and display the latest firmware. Click Download, then after the firmware is ready, click Start to initiate the process. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Upon completion, your iPhone will restart without the passcode, allowing you to complete the setup and begin using it. That concludes the procedure. 2 reliable methods to unlock a locked iPhone without an Apple ID. If this video is helpful to you, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching and look forward to our next meeting.